what's up guys? In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys Roblox Rivals tips and tricks. Now, it's pretty late into the game, there's a lot of people who know what they're doing, there's a lot of people better than me, but there's still some noobs hanging around. So I'm going to be showing you guys some tips and tricks to do, and hopefully it helps. So, yeah, I'm going to see you guys in the match. Alright guys, I'm in the match, and if you guys have starting weapons like this, what you want to do is when you shoot, instead of doing the normal reload time, see how much time it takes? You want to do this, and then switch back and forth, and you'll have full ammo. And also what you guys want to do is slide 24/7, and sometimes don't just slide all the way forward, just sometimes maybe slide boom, boom, just do that. Now, I'm not the best at it, but just do a bit of that, sliding around, maybe if you guys have the fist, if you didn't know, if you double jump, you can, if you spam space, you can double jump. It's look how much movement this is. You can also I just fell. And since I have no friends, I just have to, I just have to use somebody. So look at that, you can start off, boom, boom, you can do that, boom, go through the window. And look, you guys can practice your aim by these barrels. You can go like that, do that. And also, what I like to sometimes do is I didn't expect that, but anyways, we do that. Alright, so sometimes I do this. Go up to a barrel. Where's the barrel? There's no barrel. Alright, sometimes I like to do that. Sometimes I like to boost myself like that. But what you can also do with grenade is grenade boost. So you can do that, boom, and then you can land like this. Look how much movement that is. And yeah, if you guys want to know the crane trick, I can show you. Anyways, you can do it with a fist. You can go like that. You are gonna get shot a lot, but you can also not only reach here. You can't double jump up, but what you can do is, this guy's gonna show you guys. You can grenade boost like that and use the Scythe. But if you don't have the Scythe, you don't need to. So I'm just gonna show you. You just have to do that with your grenade, and boom, you're up here. So you can make it back to the map without anything. And you're basically right here, and then shooting them. And see, look at that. You have to get used to doing it consistently. Oh, and I fell. Anyways, I think you guys get the point of this. And I'm also gonna give you guys a little tip. When someone is sweating on you, they're shooting you a bunch, do not panic. What I like to do is, how was it? When someone's shooting me, I like to maybe run, trick them out some movement. In construction, you can do that to trick them out. Look at that. Oh, I fell. Well, I fell, but here, I'm going to show you guys a good example. So imagine if you're getting shot. I just said do not panic, and then I panicked. But anyways, you can do a bunch of stuff. But anyways, imagine someone's shooting you right here. You want to quickly escape. You can do that. Slide, and then get over here. Slide, boom, boom. They can't catch you. I need trouble. Watch this, guys. Do that. You can just slide around, jump around. That can sometimes trick somebody out, juking. Then you're going off the map. Something like this. And then I'm gonna fall. Anyways, and I'm gonna show you what's the best thing to buy. It's gonna be probably the Scythe. The Scythe. Now look what you can do with this thing. So look, you can start off with this quick melee, and yeah, you're over there. But teach you guys this. Instead of pulling out your scythe and doing this, you want to have your weapon out and then press whatever your quick melee is. My quick melee is F. So if I press F, it does that, and then I'm back to my assault. But if you press right click, which does this, dash, basically, if you do a quick melee to your assault rifle, right? But you can, what if I told you could do this? Yeah, and then you can instantly laser somebody. This is really, really overpowered for matches. You can also sometimes do this. So you notice how there's a circle? As soon as it gets close, you can grenade this. But, did you know you don't have to like instantly throw it? You can hold it down, and then until like it's perfect for you, you can like do it. So like, I'm sliding on, boom, quick melee, boom, look how fast that saves you. Instead of pulling out the scythe and then dashing, you can just go like, boom, and then you're not just shooting. See how much overpowered that is, guys? And now the last thing I wanted to show you guys is take high ground. Any map, take the high ground. Like construction, like the containers, the high ground. Take the high ground. Do not stay on low ground, because look, you happen to you see them. You see your entire enemy. But if you're right here on low ground, they can see you, but you can't really shoot them. They have coverage. High ground is coverage. It's like in Fortnite. You want to take high ground to win. It's also like in Rivals. So look at that. Go over here. I wanna look at this. Look, I have low ground, I have high ground right now. I can shoot him a couple of times, and then like, if I'm on low ground, see if he's on top of that container, I can only see the part of his body that's moving in the container. But like, look, if we're on the same type of low ground, it's a 50-50 chance of fighting. Alright, so if you're on the high ground like this, look at this. Like, where is he? Where is he? Huh? Look, we can see where he's at. And you can. And if you're gonna dive off high ground, that's one thing you don't want to do. You want to stay on high ground all the time. And then you can beam them. So yeah, that's basically the last thing I wanted to show now. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one.